Now this is what's called a boot jack, and it's been in the family forever. I just stumbled across it. Looks like we got some water damage, or it was like that initially, I don't know. I do know CH, that was my father, so he made it when he was a boy. I'm guessing, given the date that he was born, probably he made this when he was maybe 10-ish. So that would be about 1925. It's got 2 nails. It looks like right there that came through. So we had 1 short nail and 1 long nail. And because this is more wood color than this, I'm guessing that it might have been painted black at one time. That's what I'm guessing. It's obviously had a very hard life. I'm going to see what I can do to fix it up. First thing is get a Dremel and a cutoff wheel, chop that nail off. So I've got my Dremel with a cutoff wheel. These are not Dremel cutoff wheels. These are IIT reinforced cutoff wheels. They are much stronger than the Dremel ones. IIT 80515 reinforced cutoff wheels, 50 piece. So let's see what we can do about that. Now I'll see if I can get under that and pry it up. I don't want to cut down any deeper. So I got my pass load nail puller. Let's see if we can do something. There we go. There. Got the offending piece. That doesn't look too bad. Alright. Next step is to figure out what I'm going to do with this thing. Well, I guess the next step is going to be just to clean it up a little bit because it's a mess. And then try the mineral spirits just to see what it's going to look like if it is finished. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use for a finish. I don't want to sand it and clean it up and make it look brand new. That's not what I'm shooting for, because I think I'd ruin it. So let's see. So that is kind of what it would look like. It definitely is darker, and that's just the wood. So I guess I should probably try to find maybe some black paint, but that may make it look too new, and that's not what I'm shooting for. Alright, plan B as soon as I figure it out. Well, I've decided how I'm going to refinish it. I've got some of this Restore Finish in Ebony Brown. It's a very, very dark color. It's very close to this. So that's what I got right there. So that's pretty close. So I think what I'm going to do, I know you're not supposed to refinish wood that doesn't have any finish on it with the Restore Finish, but that's what I'm going to go with, because I think it's probably kind of close to what it might have been. I think that's passable, but that could very well have been that. It could very well have been that. So I'm going to finish that up and we'll see how it looks. So I'm just finishing this up here. So there's what I've got. And I got to do the bottom yet, but this is what I think that it was probably like when it was brand new. I'm going to leave the CH not stained. I'm just going to do the back side here. And maybe I'll put some Howard's Feed and Wax on it to spruce it up a little bit. I know the wood is real dry. Yeah, real dry. Paper towel's coming apart here. Probably not supposed to use paper towel, but guess what? That's what I got. So just go get some Howard Feed and Wax, and we'll see how it's going to look when it's done. Now I'm going to start off with the Howard Feed and Wax on the bottom, just on the off chance that it isn't going to look good. I don't think that looks too bad. No, I don't think it looks too bad at all. And since it probably hasn't been touched for all of my life, anything that I do to it is going to be better than it was. It's beginning to look pretty good. Come on, a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. So I think I got it. Hang that up, and I think that'll work.